Hey, I'm Josh from GME Supply, and in this video we're going to show you the JAG Rescue Kit from Petzl. Whether you're a tower climber, rope tech, or at-height construction worker, a rescue plan is always required before starting a job. And what's a part of nearly every rescue plan? A rescue kit, and preferably one that's quick to deploy, versatile, and easy to use. That's where the JAG Rescue Kit from Petzl comes in. The JAG Rescue Kit is a ready-to-use kit that includes everything you need to perform a Pickoff Rescue and lower the victim to safety. It includes the Petzl Jag System Haul Kit, ID evac descender, Axis 11mm rope with 2 sewn terminations, a bucket bag, and more. The Jag System Haul Kit contains a progress capture pulley system that provides a 4-to-1 mechanical advantage and a superior sheave efficiency, allowing the user to conserve energy when raising the victim for release. The haul end is marked yellow for easy identification of proper orientation, and the end covers hold the connectors in position to simplify attachment. The flexible cover on the haul kit prevents the risk of tangling internally or from external factors. Then with the ID descender and Axis 11mm rope, you can efficiently lower the victim to the ground with minimal rigging required during the rescue. That Axis 11mm rope comes in 30, 60, and 120 meter lengths to meet the requirements of any job. The rescue kit is conveniently packaged in Petzl's bucket bag, meaning you have the whole system ready to go at a moment's notice. Other accessories in the JAG Rescue Kit include a ring, open gated ring, and a connection fix 150 centimeter anchor strap. Now we're going to demonstrate how to perform a Pickoff Rescue using the JAG Rescue Kit. Your kit should be fully rigged at all times, so first anchor your system to the tower or a rated anchor point above the victim. Attach the carabiner that's on the Axis rope to the victim's dorsal D-ring. Then using the pull cord on the JAG, raise the victim until there is visible slack in their fall arrest lanyard. Detach the victim's lanyard from their dorsal ring, and using the ID descender, lower the victim to safety. The JAG Rescue System revolutionizes tower rescue with its quick deployment, limited risk of entanglement, and all-around ease of use. The components of this kit may be updated as time goes on, but the method for rescue and retrieval remain the same. Check out the JAG Rescue Kit from Petzl and all of your rescue needs at gmesupply.com. Click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels to keep up with our latest updates, promotions, and giveaways. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a bi-weekly show that discusses all things at height safety. Find it wherever you listen to podcasts.